Hi, welcome back to How to Be a Working Comic. I'm Dave Schwensen. I'm the author of the book, How to Be a Working Comic. And in a recent workshop, we were talking about promotional videos, what makes a good promo video that will get you hired, say at a club or cruise ship, colleges, corporate event. And here's the thing, and I will say this in probably all the videos of this series. They may call it amateur night, but nobody is looking to hire an amateur. You want to send out something that shows you're a professional, that you are worthy of being hired to do the gig. Now, today, everyone has phones. They're so much better than the HD cameras we had years ago. And I know a lot of people have their friends sitting in the back of the club at a table and they can film their act and it looks really good. But at the same time, it doesn't look all that good because you're going to have people walking back and forth in front of the screen. You have servers coming up taking drink orders. You can hear glasses clinking. That's amateur stuff, all right? What you want to do is make sure, get a tripod or get someone put somewhere in the club so they get an actual good picture of you. They see you on stage, they can hear what you're saying, but here's a secret, okay? Talent bookers like myself, we're not that smart. All right, we need to see the results of what you're doing. So have another camera on the audience. And go ahead, watch some videos, go to YouTube, watch some Evening at the Improv episodes, Tonight Show, Comedy Central. You'll see the comics on stage, when they do their punchline, you get laughs, you actually see the audience laughing at them. That's what we like to see. It kind of reaffirms the fact that you're funny and the audience likes you. Okay, that's just a little tip. We're going to talk about promotional videos and some other episodes coming up. I'm going to sign off right now. So again, I'm Dave Schwensen. I'm author of How to Be a Working Comic. Until I see you next time, keep laughing.